Dell Technologies Chairman and CEO Michael Dell joins us now in a CNBC exclusive. Michael, it's great to see you. Thanks for making the time. A lot of big new partnerships you're out with today. Microsoft, Red Hat. I think I'm most interested in NVIDIA because you're going to work with NVIDIA on AI for enterprise. Talk to us about what this looks like.
Yeah, absolutely. Great to be with you, Sarah. And, you know, at the center of the AI boom is data. You can't have AI without data. And you also need an incredible amount of processing power to deal with this data. And so we've been creating servers and infrastructure specifically for this AI boom. And we announced a number of new innovations here at Dell Technologies World. We've got more coming later on today. And look, I think this is an enormous unlock of the power of this data. And you know, I think it's the next big wave. So we're quite excited about it, and certainly it requires enormous amounts of storage and infrastructure and all the things that Dell Technologies provides.
Yeah, I was really eager to hear from you, Michael, on AI in particular, because we haven't really heard from you since we've seen this wave sweep across the market in corporate America. How are you positioning Dell, your company, around generative AI, and just how big do you think it's going to be?
Well, I think with generative AI, you're going to see a proliferation of both open and closed source models, and companies will likely have a large number of these models at play to deal with their data. And in some cases, the public models will be appropriate, but in many cases, they'll want to make sure their private data is secured and protected. And the problem they're trying to solve is a simpler problem. So if you think about a bank, right, it wants to improve fraud detection and improve customer service and, you know, be able to work with its customers in a more effective way, cross-sell different offerings. It doesn't need its data to generate beautiful artistic images or write poems or know all sorts of other random things that are not relevant to the bank's business. So it's actually a simpler problem. And so I think you're going to see a proliferation of these models. And of course, that's going to require lots of new infrastructure. You also have at the same time this intelligent physical world that's emerging, what we in the industry call edge computing. And this is also generating huge amounts of data. There will be new servers required for inferencing at the edge to process all this data and turn it into something useful. And, you know, we're quite excited about all those opportunities.
How do you think about the impact of AI on labor and productivity?
You know, many estimates on this. My net view is this is going to dramatically enhance human productivity. And certainly there will be new jobs that are created. You know, with any new technology, you're going to have, you know, jobs that are less needed as well. But look, I continue to be an optimist about the role technology plays in our world. When I meet with our customers who are, for example, working in cancer, right? The advances in gene therapies, in the development of RNA vaccines, in immunotherapies, and gene editing, all of these things are driven by computing power and AI, and you know, there are wonderful advances. So while we could, you know, sort of doomsday about all the horrible things that could happen, let's not forget all the amazing things that are going to happen in the next decade and beyond with all this technology and power that's being unleashed.